who wants to come say hi.
Yes. Oh, just about between, trying to get between my legs. Didn't make it. Trying again. Here we go. Oh, we got a double header going on here. One here, one here. This is the show. Here we go. Oh, double header or what? Whoa! You got a sockeye too, Mark?
Yep.
Perfect.
Doubled up.
Doubled up on sockeyes today. For those who think they don't take them in the mouth, here's evidence. Wow, that's still a little hot, eh, Mark?
Yeah.
There we go. I'm going to throw this one back. Good job. Just hold that one for a sec, Mark. We'll get a quick shot of that one too. Okay. Get that one going back. Oh. Okay, this one's going back. Nice job. There he goes. Beautiful. Here we go. Lovely. Oh, beautiful. That's a nice fish. Haha. Going back. Here they go. Well, that's a nice way to start the morning.
Yeah, doubled up.
Doubled up. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.